Let's go! Let's go, let's go, animal party! And clap, 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 lion brave! Stomp, 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 shake, 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 and jump, jump, jump! Say hello, hello, say hi, hi, touch the ground and reach the sky! Animal friends, you and me, learning English happily. Tiny turtle walks so slow, step by step, go, go, go. Soft green shell upon his back, never ever off his track. Elephant is big and tall, big ears waving, hear his call. Trompe, loud and clear, happy sounds for us to hear. Walk like a turtle, slow, slow, slow. Stomp like elephant, go, go, go. Fly like a bird, swim like a fish. Smile big, make a wish. Let's go, animal party. Dance and sing, move your body. Clap, 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 and stomp, stomp, stomp. Shake, 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 and jump, jump, jump. Say hello, hello, say hi, hi. Touch the ground and reach the sky. Animal friends, shout with me. Fun and happy, ABC. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, taking a nap. C is for cat, saying meow. D is for dog, saying bow wow. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, so tall above. Animals teach us words we love. Let's go, animal party. Sing together, everybody. Laugh, 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 and play, play, play. Learn new words every day. Roar, 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 and jump up high. Wave your hands and touch the sky. Animal friends forever be happy, kind, and wild and free. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Thank you for singing with me. See you soon, don't be late for the next animal